Why are corporate layoffs down 10% in 2026? While AI often gets blamed for job losses, it's actually helping many workers do their jobs better. Instead of replacing entire roles, AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing employees to focus on creative and strategic work. This shift means companies can grow without cutting staff, reducing the need for layoffs. Tech firms and other industries have realized that firing workers is costly and disrupts growth. Instead, they're spending billions on reskilling programs, teaching employees new skills to manage and collaborate with AI tools. This investment keeps experienced workers employed and helps businesses adapt faster. Despite AI's impact, the overall economy in 2026 remains robust. Increasing demand for AI-powered products and services means companies need to expand teams, not shrink them. This economic momentum counters layoff pressures and keeps job numbers stable or even growing. Instead of rapid cuts, companies are using data-driven workforce planning. They carefully identify roles that can evolve with AI, redeploy workers, and manage talent more strategically. This approach reduces layoffs, supports employee engagement, and prepares firms for long-term success. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.